In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from one cloud to another using Dropbox. We'll move files from one Dropbox account to another entirely online, so you don't have to download and re-upload anything. Before you begin, make sure you can sign in to both accounts and that the destination account has enough storage for everything you plan to move. Start by signing in to the source Dropbox account, the one that currently holds your files. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place by checking the account avatar or settings. This matters because everything else you do will depend on which account you're in. Next, create a new folder. Give it a clear, recognizable name so it stands out in both accounts. A dedicated transfer folder keeps things organized and prevents you from accidentally sharing something you didn't intend to move. Now add the files you want to transfer into this new folder. You can drag and drop from your computer or use the upload button in the web interface. If you're working with a lot of data, uploads may take some time. Wait for the sync check marks to appear so you know everything is finished uploading before moving on. When the folder is ready, share it with your second Dropbox account and set the permission to can edit. That permission is important because it allows the destination account to move files later and take ownership. Double check the sharing settings and keep the invitation limited to your second account to maintain privacy. After that, sign into the destination Dropbox account. Go to the shared section and accept or add the folder to your files so it appears alongside everything else in this account. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page or wait a moment for the invitation to propagate. Finally, move the files out of the shared folder and into a new location within the destination account. This step transfers ownership so the files no longer rely on the shared link from the source. You can select all items in the shared folder, choose Move, and pick a folder that lives only in the destination account. Once the move completes and you see the files in their new location, they belong fully to the destination account. That's it. You've transferred your data between Dropbox accounts without downloading a single file. As a best practice, keep the original shared folder in place until you've verified everything arrived correctly, then clean up when you're done.